Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can view or block any traffic IP over on WordPress. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's get started. Now first of all, open up your WordPress profile and then you're going to go to statistics of your respective page by clicking on page and then click on statistics. Under statistics, you'll be able to see all of the options and information regarding traffic of your page. To block any IP, go to Tools, then click on Marketing. Under this heading, you'll be able to see all of the IP addresses of the traffic and will be able to interact with them. Since I have no traffic available, I can't see any of the options in either of the fields. But if you're having, then definitely you can find it over here. So that's how you can view or block any traffic IP over on WordPress. If you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.